there are actually different formulas or different ways you can design a good developer experience. GitHub has their own developer experience formula. I like it. That's why I'm talking about it. You can also research other formulas that you can. Of course, not formulas are dependent on certain use cases. Is your product a developer? Sorry, is it a low code product, a code product, or a no code product? Is it a developer first company, a developer plus company? We discussed that earlier on. So not all formulas should be used, but look at what formulas work. GitHub's DevX formula, I like it because it's general for everybody. Like the principle can work for anybody. So this is how what the formula looks like. C equals developer experience. The C overall is called collaboration. That's C. Now, inside the C, developer productivity, developer impact, developer satisfaction, raised to power C gives you developer experience. I don't like mathematics now. But the point is that GitHub is advocating that collaboration is at the core of developer experience. But our aim today is not talk about the collaboration part, but let's look at the three elements inside the brackets. Productivity plus impact plus satisfaction equals developer experience. Productivity. How is our product, how is our service helping this developer or the group of developers we're targeting to be more productive? Is it saving them time? Is it easing their deployment phase? Is it saving them money? Is it increasing their user? So what exactly is what are we adding to help the developer build better? GPT came in and helped developers to debug better, among other things. So productivity was increased in certain developer use cases because of GPT. So the question every developer marketer should ask is, in our developer experience efforts, can we increase how our product helps developers to be more productive? Again, coming back from the physical hub, the hub manager could ask himself, is our developers coming to this hub, is our environment helping them to be more productive? So what is the environment looking like for our developers or those using our product? So the first thing to talk about is developer productivity. How is our product, how is our service, how is our offering helping developers to be more productive? If your product helps them to be productive, they'll come back to increase their productivity. ChatGPT was so good that people started paying for the ChatGPT Pro, even ChatGPT 4 Plus right now. So the point is that if it's productive, they will come. The second is impact, developer impacts. At the core of being a software developer or the entire software developer industry is what we call developer economy. It's a whole different conversation, but the point there is the idea of developer economy is that the core aim of developers is to develop, is to build. They are builders. Software, they are building software, they want to build. So this thing that developers are building, can my product help them to increase their impact? An example of this is AWS, Firebase, and Ocean. Is it Ocean? Something Ocean. Not Blue Ocean. Is a cloud. Let me see if I can quickly find it out here. It's also part of the cloud products. Okay, I see a chat here. Yeah, Digital. Oh, thank you, China. Yeah, Digital Ocean. Yeah, so they are all part of the family. So they're different people. Now, people argue that Firebase traps skill and impact of products. What they argued then was that Firebase gives you a sweet offer. It's free. And then you get, in ties, you build your product, you launch your product. But the moment your product gets certain thresholds, you want to expand, it's more expensive to expand. And so Either you have two options: migrate your data to another, either AWS or Azure or GCP, even a DigitalOcean. But the migration is difficult to do. Hence, they are stuck with Firebase. Now, at that point in time, the developers' products or what they've built have been impacted negatively because of the structure of Firebase at the time. I don't know if they fixed that, but at the time that was a complaint. So the concept here entirely is that our products needs to help developers increase impact of the products they are building. Is it going to help them get to more reach with their products? Firebase helps you in different options, especially if you're building for Android application. It helps you track so many things in a way, helping you to impact your products. The other platforms to help you do other things as well. But the point is our product impacting what developers are building negatively or positively? The last is developer satisfaction. They're productive. What they're doing is impact because of your products. What is the general remark? Are they satisfied? If the answer is yes, you have gotten a perfect, not perfect, but near perfect developer experience for your developer products. Is your productivity, is your product helping your developers be productive? Is it helping what they are building to be more impactful? Are they satisfied with the overall experience? If yes, then you have gotten the idea of entire developer. So this is GitHub's formula. Work on productivity, work on impact, work on satisfaction, then you've gotten developer experience. Satisfaction also, comes in handy when we talk about developer support. So are they satisfied with how they get support? If there are issues or error, who they talk to? We'll talk about the elements later, but this is the idea of GitHub's developer experience formula. C equals not C, but then all of the things raised power C equals developer experience. So that is the formula we should keep in mind. Simple: productivity, impact, satisfaction equals developer experience. How do we get developers satisfied? How do we increase their impacts? How do we increase their productivity? That is the basic idea of what developer experience should look like, and how to actually get it started.